So let's see. All right. You guys know I mainly go on YouTube. I'm mainly a YouTuber. YouTube.com/um, uh, YouTube.com/@AndHeroCH. So you know how I mostly build computers and stuff. And so I'm like, there's a few VTuber videos I don't want to watch on VTubers building PCs. We're going to start with Rainhoe because from what I heard, she took hours to do it. So, let's start.
Hey, Chad! So,
Hi,
if you're
Rainhoe.
wondering why the mic is echoey, this whole room is basically f***ing empty. Look, this is
empty.
all the parts. Let me open chat on my phone, because you're so small. You're so tiny. You're so far away. I can't
So
read you.
far.
Hello?
Whoa.
Are you there, Chad?
Oh,
YouTube
shit.
intro. You're right. We're building a PC for the very first time. Never done it
Wow.
before. And we're doing it live.
Let's go!
Wrong, right? Also, we have a tournament to do in 6 hours.
What?
So, if the PC is not built by then...
Oh my god.
That'd be bad. Oh, by the way, we have 2 camera. Where do you even start with a computer?
Where's that
Like,
camera? Oh!
I think he died.
Stop.
Goodbye,
Also, like, I
Pepe.
do have to get to the.
Speaking of Pepe, let me see. Let me go media source. Speaking of Pepe, no. People like Pepe these days. He's more of a funny haha meme. People have gone over how Pepe was never a hate symbol. At least to most people. Come on. Bum, bum, bum. Wow, I'm taking too long. Where the fuck is it? Well, that's your oh, your first mistake is that was so long ago, my guy. Speaking of Pepe. Hey guys, before we start the video, I need to make some money, and with that, pause. Go to screen. Go properties. What? Said, check out Poggers at poggerslifestyle.com, a fun brand featuring everyone's favorite Pepe Frog, offering worldwide shipping and is family ran and operated. You can get their flavors for energy or simply just hydration from things like watermelon, mango, and raspberry, or even that American classic Rocket Pop. Yes, just like the popsicle. They also include a few options to help sleep. Hopefully they bring back a personal favorite flavor of mine, Cream Dream. It's orange, guys. Don't make it weird. You can also get Poggers brand shakers and even bundled deals at a great price. Anyway, use my affiliate link down below or use code POGHERO at checkout to save 10% off your order. So live that Poggers lifestyle. So let's get on with the video. Okay, well, that was that. So all right, back to the video.
The PC build, but I'm scared, chat. I'm actually terrified. I don't know where to start. Ground yourself. Eye protection, important.
Ground. You're
be
already
there,
wearing
right?
glasses.
Was that funny? All right, I think this is the motherboard, right? Where the f is the
Honestly, you don't need.
Who is Emmanuel?
Wait, is her
Okay,
carpet?
Slippy gave me
Is
the
she on
screwdriver.
tile or
Why
carpet?
is it so long? Is he like overcompensating?
Oh, she's on carpet. She actually might need
How do I
grounding.
remove that? Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm clueless. Ooh, look, chat. CPU, let's break it. Oh, I see. And up. Look
Yeah,
at that. That
and then
didn't
the
do
other.
anything.
Yeah.
Oh, now I can remove this. Am I supposed
Perhaps.
to remove the plastic?
You
Leave it
can.
on. But it says please remove. I'm getting mixed signals
You-
here, man. The
look.
pins are bent. Shut the f up, man. I'm scared.
All right, you can remove if you want, but typically you put the seat, you lift it up, you put the CPU in, you put back the retention arm, and then it pops out by itself.
My hands are sweating. I'm too scared to grab it. Wait, where are the pins? Wait, what?
Yeah, the new AM5 onwards, Ryzen, AMD, the pins are on the CPU. The pins are on the motherboard now. They're pulling in Intel.
It's just
They're going for PGA. No, yeah, pin gray red. Yeah, no. They're land gray red. Yeah, they're actually doing LGA now instead of PGA.
flat. I'm scared. I'm putting it back. I can't hold it for too long.
One pin and it's Ripbozo.
Trust me. I'm well aware. Right
What do you mean
here.
you're well aware?
Oh my god, I feel like I bet something. Okay.
As long as you put it in right, and it's snapped into
Okay,
place, it's fine. Now it should pop out.
There's so much resistance.
Yes, that's the point.
I can't pull it out.
That's the point.
You'll know you've successfully
You're going a little
built
too
a
hard.
PC if it doesn't immediately start on fire on start.
There we
That
go.
was scary, man. Why did that take so long to pop out? Hardest part is done, really? That was pretty smooth.
What do you mean it took an hour?
How many sticks of RAM? I think there are 2 sticks of RAM in here. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay. I've learned this from PC Building Simulator. All right, chat, ready for the click?
You know what? That's a decent. You know what? That's fine. That is actually. That's fine. I trust it.
Ready? It's supposed to click in, right? There was so much resistance.
Sometimes, usually.
I can't. That was hard. Ah, I'm gonna break it. It just won't go in. I don't know what to tell you. I'm throwing my pussy in there, and it's just
Damn.
not clicking in. Oh,
Oh,
oh my god, we're making progress. I'm actually
Progress
going
is
PC.
being
This
made.
Is kind of crazy now. Oh,
I'm
click.
surprised. I'm surprised that Rain knew how to put the RAM in, like yeah.
Click, motherfucker. We diddly darn done it. So the meat sink, am I not supposed to unscrew anything? I need someone to mansplain. Actually, can I Discord call someone?
Oh my god.
Answer me. Hello?
Hello? You're cutting into my allotted RuneScape time.
I need
That is-
help.
What do you need help with?
Okay, am I supposed to peel this thing off here?
What is that for? Well, I don't know what this, I've never built in this case before. This is some fucking uncharted territory for
Damn.
me.
Well, you're the RuneScape player. Can you do some fucking research? Look something up? You know, guys.
What are you trying to do right now? Like, what's the goal? What's the
I am
quest?
trying to install an. Why am I asking you how to install an SSD? I don't think you've ever
Wait,
seen an
you're putting an
in your
SSD
fucking
there?
life. Yeah.
Okay, relax. I've placed a couple NVMEs in my time, in my day. You just ask chat, do we pull the sticker off? They'll never lie.
I see too many yeses.
Well,
One says no, kill your.
Kill your appetite, because you've eaten too much today.
Okay, now what? Wait,
Now you fucked it, GG, good luck.
wait, what?
put in.
Nah, I was just fucking kidding.
Just-
yeah, click her in. Make sure it's on the right though. You don't want to hear it crunch in this time. Not like the CPU.
I think I'm doing it wrong.
Oh, I heard a bad noise. No!
Can you stop?
Sorry.
Thank you.
I swear you're the biggest PC building pussy I've ever seen in my life.
Just put in. There we
I
go.
got it. My fault.
You did it.
I got it.
Dude, I feel like I'm in like Salem right now in 1922. People in your chat like, You gotta spin it! Push harder! No, not like that! The other way! It's so funny reading your chat. Dude, I'm just waiting for a crunch.
Oh,
Watching other people build PCs, it's like, just do it. Hey, Generva. All right, you probably know how. I feel like, all right, Generva knows how to build PCs. I'm pretty sure they do. I'm just like watching people who don't know how to build PCs and being very afraid of touching it gets me like, just go for it. Just do it. Just go.
that bitch is secure. I got it.
What's next?
The case?
It's a lot of clicking. It's a lot of slapping and clicking and screwing.
Oh, you're putting this bitch in?
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
right?
good luck. It's doomed.
CPU cooler.
Lovely.
Well, it depends on
so
the cooler.
nice.
Oh, look, a height.
Jordan. Oh my god, I'm scared. It's heavy. How do I tighten it? Like, how do I screw this? Time to screw this baby up. Not too tight. Don't worry, chat. I am a pussy. The moment I feel resistance, I immediately just get scared.
Alright, doing it good
You
so
got
far.
this. Papa
That's
Sleepy
fine.
got you for any tools you need.
Papa Sleepy? Did I hear that right? Oh my god, wait, that was Sleepy's mom. You're talking about Sleepy's dad. I thought you were calling Sleepy Daddy.
Yeah, height.
I'm sorry. I apologize. Hi, Mom! Oh, I was supposed to slide it in with that. Oh.
I love how after height put out that case, everyone went, like, literally everyone wanted to, you know, make a fucking, what's it called? Fish tank case. Heck, even I built in a fish tank case. Thanks. And is a green ME. Even I built in a fish like everyone started making these cases. Like, alright, side and front glass. Sometimes they'll have an extra corner.
Oh my god, I'm stupid. That's fine. I think I need 2 hands. Or I mean, I need 3 hands. And I can't pull out my dick on stream, so I feel like I need to
Yeah.
call Sleepy for this. Sleepy!
I could build a case and I could build a PC in one hand.
Yes, it is. You're pushing it. Thanks, bro. What the fuck is this? Wait, why does it look
That's
like
radiator.
that? Yeah, so the fans are in here. Fans!
Oh. Okay.
Dude, girls who build PCs are so hot.
Girls are what?
And then there's me. Wait, oh my god, chat, you said true before I said and then there's me? Wait, so you think... Stop! Oh my god.
No, you're making me mad.
3rd time placing it in here.
Yeah, concept's the same. Yes. There's a CPU there's a water cooling which is a bunch of fans. There's a water pump, there's a radiator, and there's fans to cool the radiator. Or at least blow the hot air away from the radiator. Just like a car. You could.
Okay, we finally did the radiators.
I like how I'm still
Cable
using the
management is
stock
absolutely dumb.
AMD cooler.
If it makes you feel better, I can like stick one of these on there. Cable management.
You know what? That's fine.
Right?
You know, that's fine. Cable management, if it's your PC, do whatever. As long as people can't see it, whatever. But unfortunately, when I have to build PCs for other people, I try to lean on better cable management. It's not the prettiest, but at least, you know, it's okay.
Do you need to screw it in? Okay, power supply
Yes,
unit is
you
in.
screw in the
Now
power
we have to
supply.
connect it. How do you connect this? For PSU. Oh, more cable management. Don't mind if I don't do that.
brand new graphics card or old used car? Which is more valuable? Brand new graphics card or a 20 to 30-year-old car? Used car. Actually, 20-year-old car, because 25 is where they hit the vintage, they hit vintage, quote unquote.
5 hours and not done yet? No, I've never done this before. I'm getting close though. What are these?
You're getting there,
These
Rain.
thick ones. I'm sure we're gonna need those.
Thick? Yes.
Cable management is a work of art. Thank you. Oh God. I think I take this. I take the. I'm taking the power supply out. Oh, I'm just constantly wasting more time. I only have an hour, chat. My stupid Minecraft tournament. I'm honestly just girl bossing my way into.
Oh my god, she needs to install Windows, get all her shit done.
I only have an hour. I need to put some fucking speed into this. I still have these fucking fans to do too. Ooh, they're like omega reflective. Shit, okay. Oh no. Like that? Yes, like that? I don't think I've ever.
Look, no. I think it's classic. I'm sorry, not vintage, but classic. I don't know. Well, whatever. I know my 2006 Hyundai Tiburon would have hit, classic car status if I still had it.
Never seen such a stressed PC build before.
You are stressing me out, Rain.
I'm having mental breakdown. Oh my god, my fans are so reflective. I can see myself getting a mental breakdown. Shit. Oh, wait, it's so pretty. It's gonna look so good. Remove protective film before use. Oh, this is a big one, chat. You ready?
Go for that peel. Don't fuck it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why do you have to say it like that?
Oh, I came a little. I don't think it's in. Is that lined up?
What are you saying, Rain?
Oh, it's in. Check 5-ups DM. Oh my god, it's 15 minutes. I think we might need to call in a fill-in for Block Wars, because this PC is nowhere near finished. I feel bad. Ay, ay, ay. It looks good from this side though. It's pretty fucking clean, no?
It's clean.
It's been 6 hours. Alright, before turning it on, I think I need to take this off, right? There's so many wires everywhere. Man. I'm having a
you should have tested the motherboard. You should have tested the motherboard CPU first.
We really should have invested in one, man. Is this the on button? I'm pressing it. Uh-oh. I'm like getting no power.
Is it plugged in?
No. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Who said it's a good idea for me to build a PC? I'm gonna have to disconnect the GPU again, man.
Everything plugged in, Rain?
I should have just played Block Wars. Ah. That might be it. Round 2. Oh my god! Wait, it's turning on!
Wow!
I didn't completely fuck it. Oh! Wow!
She even got signal.
Wait, it's working!
She just had to plug in.
We did it!
Front panel. Generva, front panel connectors, am I right? You know how those are.
PC has been built after 7 hours and 20 minutes. The PC... Is it finished? We managed to build a PC.
For the most part, it's finished.
7.5 hours. Does it all work? Maybe not, but it does run. Which is kinda,
7 hours. 7 hours for a PC build. Even my first time building a PC wasn't 7 hours. It was like 2 or 3.
I think it's more than I ever expected out of myself. This PC is a lot cooler than it looks right now.
I do want that case though. I am probably
going. Thank you so much, chat, for all the help. I would not have been able to do any of this without you. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna go sleep now.
No. Yeah, it only takes me like 30 minutes to an hour these days, because the only thing that, that might get me is like, all right, why isn't this turning on? Let me go troubleshoot real fast. Let's see. All right, so for this one, if this ends up on YouTube, I'll put the original video in the comments and description. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to them. Subscribe and like. Anyway, I need to pee. Be right back.
That platinum chain with them diamonds in it. Where'd you get that Magnum Benz with them windows tinted? Who them girls you be with when you be riding through? Man, I ain't got nothing to prove. I paid my dues, breaking the rules and shake fools while I'm taking the cruise. Tell me who's your weed man and how do you smoke so good? You's a superstar, boy. Why you still up in the hood? What in the world is in that bag? What you got in that bag? A couple of cans of whoop ass. You did a good ass job of just eyeing me, spying me. I got my